Just close your eyes. Today, we will be doing guided meditation on realigning human needs with your goals. Sit comfortably. Let your body settle. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and let it out fully. Again, breathe in and exhale. Just relax. There is nothing to achieve in this moment. Just allow yourself to be here. Bring awareness to your life as it is right now. Not how it should be, not how it used to be, just how it is. And silently say to yourself, I am willing to see the truth of where I am. I am willing to see the truth of where I am. No judgment, no shame, just awareness. Now, bring your attention to your inner drivers, the needs that have been running your life until now. The needs that have been running your life until now. Perhaps the need for certainty, perhaps the need to feel significance, perhaps the need to stay safe, perhaps the need to avoid discomfort. These are running your life until now. Say silently, these needs were trying to protect me. These needs were trying to protect me. I acknowledge them without fighting them. I acknowledge them without fighting them. Notice how some needs may have taken control at the cost of your peace, at the cost of your health, at the cost of your sleep. Say quietly, I release the need to meet my needs through stress. I release the need to meet my needs through stress. I release the belief that struggle is required. I release the belief that struggle is required. I release patterns that no longer serve my future. I release patterns that no longer serve my future. Now say slowly, I take responsibility for how I have been meeting my needs. I take responsibility for how I have been meeting my needs. This is not self-blame. This is self-empowerment. I now choose a healthier way. I now choose a healthier way. Feel that strength in the choice. Feel that strength in the choice. Now imagine your human needs gently rearranging inside you. First, feel certainty becoming inner stability, not control. Feel change becoming healthy flexibility, not chaos. Feel significance becoming self-respect, not pressure. Feel love and connection becoming emotional safety. Feel growth becoming curiosity and learning. Feel contribution becoming meaning and purpose. And say silently, I allow my needs to support my goals, not sabotage them. I allow my needs to support my goals. Now bring your goals into awareness. Health, peace of mind, restful sleep, balanced work, meaningful relationships, financial stability, and say, I choose a need sequence that supports the life I want. I choose a need sequence that supports the life I want. I no longer let old patterns decide my future. I no longer let old patterns decide my future. Feel yourself stepping into new identity, the identity of someone who lives consciously, and say slowly, I am someone who meets my needs in healthy ways. I am someone who meets my needs in healthy ways. I am someone who values balance over burnout. I am someone who values balance over burnout. I am someone who grows without punishing myself. I am someone who grows without punishing myself. Let the statements settle into your nervous system. Now, take a slow breath in and release. Notice your body. Notice your breath. Notice the calm authority inside you. And say, I trust this process. I trust myself. I am moving in right direction. I trust this process. I trust myself. I am moving in the right direction. Now, which need felt most different inside you just now? That answer tells you exactly where the next breakthrough is. Which need felt most different inside you just now? With this, on the count of 5, gradually open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open your eyes, rub your hands, put it on your face. Get this energy inside you. Thank you.